Division cheyo.
Makinde.
District?
Kampala.
Division in Makinde mu district ye Kampala.
What do you do for a living?
Okola mulimu ki?
Kolera mu Owino.
I work in Owino.
Okay. Do you know the accused person in court?
Omanyi omwami
You
oyo?
can tell us what he does in Owino.
Mumanyi.
Okola mulimu ki mu Owino?
Tunda ngato.
I sell shoes.
Do you know the accused person in court?
Omwami oyo musibe omumanyi?
Mumanyi.
I know him.
How do you know him?
Ajja otya okumumanya?
Yajja ewaka.
Okay, do you know his name?
Omanyi amannya ge?
Okello.
Ye Okello.
Yes, how did you come to know Okello?
Wajja otya okumanya Okello?
Yajja ewaka.
He came at home
n'agamba ayagala kupangisa ku nyumba.
and he said he wanted to rent a house.
When was that?
Lwali ddi?
Omwezi gwe 11.
It was in November.
Which year?
Mwaka ki?
2025.
In 2025.
Enyabo.
Yes, please go on.
Weyongereyo.
Ne mugamba enyumba ya 15 amanyaze ga mitwalo 2.
And I told him the house is for 150,000 and electricity is for 20,000.
Nangamba alinawo omwezi gumu.
Hold on. So, where are these houses located?
Ennyumba ezo zisangibwa wa?
Bunga.
In Bunga.
Okay, please go ahead.
Weyongereyo.
Nangamba alinawo omwezi gumu naye mu wiiki emu babiri ajja kuba alese balance.
And he said he only wants 1 month, but in 1 week or 2 he will bring the balance.
Why would he say he has only 1 month? Had you given him a requirement?
Lwaki yagamba nti nno
For paying.
alinawo omwezi gumu gwokka wali?
Bwe yaŋŋamba.
No. You said that you told him he's supposed to pay 150,000 rent and then 20,000 for electricity. Then you said he told you he had only 1 month payment. Okay, and my question is, had you required him to pay more months than the 1 month payment?
Wamugamba nti nno alina okusasula emitwalo 15 eza renti, then emitwalo 2 egy'amasannyalaze. Lwaki yali agamba nti yali alinawo sente zokka zimu zokka ez'omwezi ogumu?
Ezo yali alinawo.
Yali yakusaba okusukka emyezi ogumu. Wali wamubuuza oba wamusaba okubeera asasule okusukka emyezi ogumu?
Namugamba asasula emyezi 3.
I told him to pay 3 months.
Yes, go ahead. Yes.
Weyongereyo.
Nangamba kasooka aleetako gumu wayitawo ebbanga lyangambye lya wiiki emu babiri ajja kuleeta balance omulala.
And he said after 1 week or 2 weeks I'll bring the balance.
Wali wakayitawo wiiki emu n'aleeta.
Then after 1 week he brought the money.
Yes, please go on.
Weyongereyo.
Bw'aleeta ne mugamba nkuwa receipt.
And I asked him, can I give you the receipt?
Nagamba no.
And he said no.
How did he pay you? What was the mode of payment?
Yakozesa ki okuba nga akusasula?
Yayita cash.
Yayita sente z'obuliwo. He brought cash.
Okay. So for the time that the accused stayed at your house, maybe if you could tell us, is he still a tenant at your house by the time of his arrest? Was he still a tenant?
Miss Kiza, he hasn't told us about him coming to stay at the home. He told us up to the point of payment. Can we pick it up from there, please?
Most obliged. After the accused had made the payment, did he return to the house?
Ng'amaze okuba ng'asasula essente ezo yajja oba yakomawo ku nnyumba?
Yakomawo ku nyumba ye n'agisulamu.
Yes, he came and he started staying in his house.
Okay. Is he still a tenant at your house?
Era akyali mupangisa ku nnyumba zo?
Nedda.
No.
When did he leave?
Yavaayo ddi?
Ogwokusatu awo wiiki ng'emu bbiri.
In the month of March.
Which year?
In the first week or the second. Mwaka ki?
2026.
In 2026.
Okay. For the time that the accused was a tenant at your houses, how was he relating with the neighbors or the people around?
Mu kiseera ekyo yali nga omusibe ono nga asula oba ng'apangisa ku nnyumba zo, yali akwatagana atya n'abalirwana mu kitundu ekyo?
Yali muntu mulungi nnyo.
He was a very good person.
What do you mean?
Kiki otegeeza?
Yali ng'aveewo bulungi n'ababuuzaako abaana abato bawe bali awo n'abakwatakwatako ndali n'agenda.
As he was leaving his home, he used to greet people and he also used to touch also on the children.
How would he relate? You have said he would touch the children. How was he relating with his children?
Obadde ogambye yali akwatirira ku baana. Yali akwatagana ate nabo?
Kale nga asobola okujja waliwo nayibba alina omwana omukozi namugamba njolezaako ku mpale yange eyo, njolezaako ku sowaani yange eyo, n'agenda n'akomawo nga yabikoze namwayo n'akasente.
There was a neighbor whom used to ask to help to wash his trousers, and even when he came back he used to pay him some fee.
Mr. Mukasa, that hasn't answered her question. The question was in respect of the children. Was he playing with the children? You called it touching, but was it about playing?
Ekyo kyoyogedde tekizzeemu kibuuzo, kyekibuuzo ekyabadde kikwatagana ku baana.
Kati abaana yali nga kwegamba olulimi lwayogera nga tebaluwulira ng'ageza kubanga agamba muno ababuuzaako.
They never used to understand the language you were speaking.
Yeah.
But he used to greet them.
And you talked about he would give things to the neighbor to clean for him. What do you mean?
Wayogedde ku nsonga nti yali awa ebintu bye okubeera nga abiwa omulirwana okumwoleza. Kiki wadde otegeeza?
Okumuyambako.
Explain.
Nnyonnyola.
Kwegamba nga ye tasobola kubikola naye nga alina obbiwa awusigalo amuyambeko.
He never used to do them, but he used to give the house girl to help him.
What would he ask the house girl to do for him?
Kiki yali asaba house girl okubeera nga amukolera?
Okumwolezako oluusi empale n'omwolezako essowaani ye n'ekikopo olumu.
At times to wash for him his trouser or even the cup and the saucepan, the plate.
Yes. Anything else?
Waliwo ekirala kyonna?
kyeyakola.
Okay. The time that the accused was your tenant, did he receive any visitors? Would he have people come to visit him?
Mu kiseera we yali nga mupangisaawo yafunakoko ku bagenyi bonna abaali bazze okumukyalirako?
Mama we yajjawoko emirundi nga 3 batulaawo ne boogeramu.
Only the mother came thrice to visit him and they talked.
Yes.
Yongereyo.
Bamala balinga banimyanze nga sibawanyubudde nga mbaawo ne nkola ki.
As they were conversing,
ne nkola ebyange.
Would the mother stay?
Nga bawo katono n'agenda.
she was there for a short time and left.
Mr. Mukasa.
Let's proceed, please.
Mr. Mukasa, what else did you observe the accused person doing at the houses, other than the way he related with the neighbors and the children?
Kyekirala kyewalaba omuvunaanibwa nga akola ku muliraano okuggyako ku engeri yali akwataganamu n'abaana ne baliraanwa.
Bwe yavanga ewuwe yavangayo olusi nakadomola kisa n'amazzi n'addayo mu nnyumba ye yoka.
Whenever he would come from his place, he would come with a jerrycan, fetch water, and go back.
Where was he fetching the water from?
Amazzi yali agasenawa?
Ku tap ewaka.
At the tap at home.
At that time that you were with him, did he in any way behave irrationally?
Ebiseera bye wabeera naye waliwo lwe yeeyisa mu ngeri etali ya bulijjo? No.
Okay. That's all, my lord, for this witness.
Cross.
Yes, my lord.
Please go ahead.
Do you have any proof that he has ever rented your house?
Oyina ekintu kyonna ekikakasa nti yali apangisizaako ennyumba yo?
Siina kubanga pozi.
Do you, that's okay. Do you stay in the same compound?
I don't have.
Let them first interpret.
I don't have because.
Do you stay in the same compound with the tenants?
Obeera mu luggya lwe lumu n'abapangisa?
Enyabo.
Yes.
What time do you work in Owino?
Mu Owino okolayo ssaawa meka?
Ngenda ssaawa 6:7.
I go between 12 12:30 to 1.
And what time do you return?
Okomawo sawa meka?
10.
4.
Okay.
You live between what time to what time?
Ogenda kukola sawa okuva sawa meka kutuuka sawa meka?
Mbayo ngenda sawa 7:30 kitundu.
I go between 12:30 to 1.
Return at
Okomawo sawa meka?
10.
I return at 4.
And how many houses are there in the same, in your compound? Okay, just give us a description, a vivid description.
Tunnyonnyole olujja lwammwe engeri amayumba gye galimu wali watya, tukubire ekifaananyi.
Zakulawo ng'ekikomera ziri eno n'eno west.
They are built in like an enclosure. They are both sides facing each other.
And how many are they?
Ziri meka?
Ziriwo nga 8.
They are about 8.
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 Ziriwo nga 8.
Oyina obukugu bwonna obukwata ku bujjanjabi bw'obwongo?
Nedda nnyo.
I don't have.
That's all, my lord.
Excuse me, any re-exam? Any re-examination?
No, my lord, no re-exam.
I have a few questions for him.
Oweekitiibwa omulamuzi agenda kukubuuzayo ebibuuzo ebirala.
I just want to understand something that didn't come out well. When this person came to your place and he said he was going to first pay 1 month, did he finally pay the other months?
Omusajja ono bwe yajja n'akugamba nti yali agenda kusooka kusasula omwezi gumu, yamala n'akomawo n'asasula emyezi emirala?
Enyawo.
Yes.
So he paid for 3 months, and for how long did he stay there?
Yasasula emyezi 3 naye yabeerayo bbanga ki? Okumala bbanga ki?
Yabeerawo emyezi 3 kati waliwo gwokuna yamalawo wiiki emu kitundu n'agenda.
He stayed there for 3 months, and the 4th month he had spent only 1 week and he left.
When he came to ask to rent your houses, did he disclose to you, did you get any documents identifying him?
Bwe yajja okupangisa ennyumba ewuwo, yakulaga ebiwandiiko ebyali bimwogerako?
Bwe yamala okusasula ne mugamba agende wa chairman.
After he had paid, I asked him to go to the chairman.
Did he go?
Yagendayo wa chairman?
Yagamba yagendayo.
He told me he went there.
So did you get to understand the kind of work he was doing? Did he have any job?
Wategeera mulimu ki gwe yali akola oba yali alina omulimo?
Nedda nnyabo.
I did not.
That's so for you you leave your house between 12:30 and 1 to go for your work. Would you leave him at home or he would leave the house in the morning?
Bwe wavangayo waka wakati wa sawa mkaga kitundu ku 7 wamulekangayo waka oba yali nga akusooka okuvaayo?
Yansokanga okuvaawo.
He would leave before me.
Ms. Awelo, any questions that arise from my questioning?
None, my lord.
My lord, I have a question.
Please.
It's called who?
It's called Mr. Mukasa.
Mukasa Paul.
Yes, sir.
Was this your first time to deal with this man on that village?
Did that arise from my questioning?
Okay.
It didn't arise from my questions.
Much obliged. Let me ask another question. You talked about LC1 chairperson in your evidence. Did you introduce him to the chairperson LC1?
Mu bujurizi bwoga oyogedde ku chairman LC1 gwe wamwanjulayo eri chairman.
Yangamba yagendayo.
He told me he was going there.
Answer the question. Did you introduce him to the chairperson?
Damu ekibuuzo oba wamwanjula wa chairman oba nedda?
Nedda.
I did not.
Was that the first time to interact with that man?
Mr. Kumbuga, please don't reopen cross-examination. I gave you an opportunity to ask anything that may have arisen from my question, so don't reopen cross-examination.
Much obliged, my lord. I end there.
Ms. Kiza, any questions arising from my questions?
No, my lord, nothing.
Mr. Mukasa, thank you so much for giving us your evidence. You can step down.
Mwami Mukasa webale nnyo okutuwa obujulizi osobola kugenda n'otuula.
This will be PW10.
Yes, my lord.
Good afternoon, sir.
Osibyo tano sebo.
Ndi bulungi nyabo.
What's your name?
Bakuyita ani?
Nze Makayi Jowero.
Oyina emyaka meka?
Ena emyaka 31.
I'm 31 years old.
And what is your religion?
Osoma dini ki?
Ndi Protestant.
I'm a Protestant.
Okay, you're going to hold the Bible and swear and to speak the truth.
Genda kukwata Bible olayire nti ogenda kwogera mazima.
Yohanike ugambe
nze
ngira amanyago
Makayi Jowero
ndayira mu linnya lya Katonda
ndayira mu linnya lya Katonda
obujulizi bwengenda okuwa mu kooti eno
obujulizi bwengenda okuwa mu kooti eno
obukwatagana ku guno omusango
agenda
kuba mazima
gagenda kubeera mazima
era mazima meerere
era mazima meerere.
Okay, Mr. Makaye, you say you're 31 years.
Yes, sir.
I will request you to speak a bit louder.
Ojja kwongera ku ddoboozi.
Ojja kwongera ku ddoboozi.
Ojja kwongera ku ddoboozi.
Ojja kwongera ku ddoboozi.
Ojja kwongera ku ddoboozi. Ojja kwongera ku ddoboozi.
Ojja kwongera ku ddoboozi. Where do you live?
Obeera luddawa?
Mbeera Kisaasi.
I stay in Kisaasi.
Where is Kisas found?
Kisaasi esangibwawa?
Kisaasi esangibwa Kigowa.
Is found in Kigowa.
Nakawa, Kampala district.
In Nakawa, Kampala district.
What do you do for a living?
Okola mulimu ki?
Managing estates.
I manage estates.
You manage which estate, Mr. Makaye?